Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on SPY IWM and QQQ all-time highs. No surprise with the close at the high of the day yesterday. This is a bearish reversal hanging man candlestick, but every single bearish reversal candlestick in blue sky breakout needs to be taken with a grain of salt because of the ability of the bulls to completely negate it and see continuation. We have seen this multiple times. We've seen it in the tech sector multiple times in the past couple of weeks. So just something to be aware of, but we did see some weakness today, and really it was just more Russia news. And at this point in the past 3 months, the only real dips that we see are related to Russia news, and the reaction is the market buys the dip hand over fist. Back here in the Trump dump mid-May, that was Trump and Russia. We dumped for 2 days, and we had a V-shaped recovery and a complete rip to higher highs. Today, it was the exact same scenario, but on the 5-minute time frame. We dumped for about 20 minutes and then absolutely bounced and hit new all-time highs. So at this point, the bulls are in full control, and we need to be cautious and aware of shifting in that, but it has not shifted. The hourly 20-period moving average support is a key guide, and we bounced off of that 3 times today. So that is an important support to watch going forward. That's step number 1. That's red flag number 1 for a bull. You lose that hourly 20-period moving average, you look for some potential consolidation. So if we don't even lose that level, we have no downside to be looking at. Weekly time frame here. Got to switch over the time frame real quick. So on the weekly, we've got a very bullish candlestick. The upper Bollinger Band resistance is at 247.61. If we do get a new all-time high tomorrow, this will be in play. So definitely want to be watching this upper Bollinger Band, but it hasn't kept the bulls down in the past. It's rejected them temporarily, but it keeps ascending rapidly and creating room to the upside. And we've been hugging this upper Bollinger Band essentially 8 of the last 9 weeks. IWM on the daily time frame. And I got my charts all screwed up here. Here we go. So the daily time frame, new all-time highs, bearish reversal candlestick. It's a spinning top. It shows indecision at the top of an uptrend. If we break the low of today, 142.80, we will look to the start of some healthy consolidation. Anything above 141.04 will be a higher low, keeping the bulls in control of this uptrend. We are above the upper Bollinger Band still for the second day in a row in breakout mode, and there is no slowdown in sight unless we confirm a bearish reversal candlestick. Weekly time frame, upper Bollinger Band trying to turn that into support by the end of tomorrow. 143.33 is the level to close above to be in breakout mode. But really, I'm going to zoom in here, but it really hasn't mattered where we close relative to that upper Bollinger Band. We've closed above it and consolidated. We've closed below it and continued. So I look back at the history and see some inconsistencies there, and I say, okay, that upper Bollinger Band doesn't really matter a whole lot. We're on the verge of a bullish MACD cross looking for continuation, and we keep holding the exponential supports, keeping the bulls in full control. QQQ on the daily time frame, a new all-time high. We did see the bulls buy the dip here as well. The low was 143.50 and 143.52. If those levels break, there's a gap to fill at 143.17. But until we see confirmation of a bearish reversal candlestick, the bulls are in full control. So you look at a bearish reversal doji, no confirmation. Bearish reversal spinning top, no confirmation. And we are now on our 10th green day in a row in the tech sector. An absolutely astounding V-shaped recovery that is reminiscent of back in June, make that April and May, where we just kept running to the upside with no resistance and no slowdown. And here we are doing it again. Bulls in full control is the moral of the story. We'll be watching for any signs of weakness, but as of right now, we don't have any. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you over the weekend.